Hey everybody, welcome to Casting Brass. We're down at the creek. And anybody that knows or watches my videos that lives around here knows exactly where I am, by that bridge right there in this small creek. Today we're doing a challenge. We've got the trolley Bright crawler minis right here. I've already opened them up and took a look at them. It's hard video on one hand, but I will try to show you. This is what they look like right here. Yep, they're like little miniature night crawlers. We're going to try to catch 5 fish out of this little small creek. It's got some little smallmouth in it, and this creek has also got some pretty good sized bluegill in it, panfish. And we're going to try it, see if we can catch 5 fish today. Right here, it's September. Massive cold front and it's beautiful. It poured the rain for the last 3 or 4 days on and off. Not enough to muddy up the river or the creek, but wind's out of north right now because front pushed through. It's went down from like 86 degrees all the way down. Today it is 61 degrees. I've got my waders on. Let's go see if we can catch some. Well, right here they are, the Bright crawlers minis. I'm in a mini creek, as you can see up through there, and I think I will start out with a red and yellow. This is what they look like right here. Really soft, got a lot of sugar on them. So people's looking at me driving by like, what the heck is he doing? You know what, I really don't care what people says or thinks. And I am going to hook it right in the end, just like it right there. So we'll just twitch him along and see if we might catch something. Anything goes today. Bluegill, warmouth, smallmouth, any mouth. Hopefully right up through there. So let's see what we can do. Today I was going to go do a fishing video in the river with a new bait I picked up, but let me tell you, it's a massive cold front, and I'm gonna give it a day or two for the fish to adjust, and then we'll go to the river and make the video. But until then, we'll go for a little walk up the creek here, see if we can catch something. Look at that. Look at this. Look. Check it out. There it is. The little Sarah crawler. And look what we caught on it out of this little creek. Nice. Nice little creek smallmouth. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Bam. I've just seen one bass besides the one I've caught so far, so I see a lot of little bitty miniature right bluegill darting around, or warmouths, whichever one it may be. Try to stretch this sucker out a little bit. There's one. Looky what we got here. Is that not a chunker? And it loved the blue and red. That is pretty. Look what I humped back on that thing right there. It really wanted that so bad. That is number 2. But this is what we got it on right here. And we will let this little fella go. They like the candy. If you can find one. That's the problem. Finding the fishies to eat the candy. Stretch him out here. The old candy sour night crawler. Got a number 1 true turn type hook in it, light wire. And that's it. There's one. And we have got us number 3. Well, we got us another one. Got him on the orange and green one. That looks like some kind of little slug looking thing. But there we go. Pretty little creek panfish there. We'll throw him out there and let him get back to wherever he lives. Okay, we're 2 away. There's one. Oh man. You talk about some big size panfish. Look. There we go. Look how pretty. Look what a fish out of this little small creek compared to my hand there. Look what a hump on its back. That thing is that thing's big as the box. The trolley bite crawlers, minis, challenge. Look at that. When you are fishing the creek, if you're going to fish a little small creek like this, relax and have fun, you gotta wade quietly and you gotta make as long as cast as possible, because in here they're fighting against predators, from everything from raccoons to people, of course, and everything else. And they're very, very boogerish fish are in creeks, just like trout in a small trout stream. And they'll go up under rocks, they'll go up under the cuts in the banks, under the weeds like this and everything. And you think that there won't even be nothing in there because they'll be hid out. So wade quietly, slowly. And I know there's a lot of stuff sticking in the creeks and stuff, but try your best to make as long as cast as possible. And that's about the best tip I can give you. And a good pair of polarized glasses comes in handy sometimes. Sometimes you can just spot them, but I like just making long casts. I see him laying there. There's another one, grabbed it. I got him. I figured he's a little fella. God, their mouths are tough. Not like the other ones, but it is a fish.